Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you the exact steps to collaborate with comments and mentions in Asana's free plan. First, add a comment. Open any task. At the bottom, see a box that says write a comment. Click it and type your message. To mention a teammate, type the symbol. Start typing their name. A drop-down appears. Select their name. This tags them. Click the post button. The person gets a notification in their Asana inbox and email. You can also mention a whole project. Type the symbol and start typing the project name. Select it from the list. This adds the comment to that project's conversations. Reply to a specific comment. Hover over it and click reply. Type your response and click post. To see all conversations, click the inbox icon. This is at the top of your Asana window. Here, see all notifications, like when someone mentions you, and that's it. You've written a comment, mentioned a teammate, mentioned a project, replied, and checked notifications. If this improved team talk, please like and subscribe. See you in the next one.